Hi guys, welcome back. You are watching Battle Dreams. As you know, Valentine's Day is coming, love is in the air, so let's make a very romantic handmade polymer clay decorated mug for your loved ones. So let's begin. You need black color polymer clay, a very normal ceramic mug, a red color polymer clay, and I just got some of the couple printouts, which is a silhouette printouts. There are a lot of newbies into polymer clay. They might not have a pasta machine like me. So I will show you how to knead and condition your clay without using a pasta machine. So this is the way I do. You need to condition your clay very well with your hands. Before rolling, you can cover your clay with your corn flour. It will help to not to stick to the rolling pin and your surface. Roll this until you get your desired thickness. Actually, this is my second video of polymer clay decorations on ceramic mug. The first one was a polymer clay cupcake decoration on ceramic mug, and after uploading that video I got a lot of questions regarding how did you bake that, at what temperature did you bake that, what was the clay, etc. So I'll try to answer everything in this video. And we got our clay conditioned, kneaded well. Now I'm going to trace that picture onto black color polymer clay. Using a sharp pointed pencil, I'm going to trace this figure onto polymer clay. And yeah, about polymer clay decoration on ceramic mug, the first question was it the normal ceramic mug? Yes, it is a very normal ceramic mug which you can bake in the oven. And the second question was, how do you glue the decorations onto ceramic mug? Actually, in the first video, that means the cupcake decoration video, I have attached the cupcake design onto the ceramic mug using a liquid polymer clay, and I have baked the cup together with the decoration. That's what I did in the first video. But here I'm going to attach the decoration without using a liquid polymer clay, that you will see clearly in this video. Yeah, back to our video. I think you can see that picture is traced onto this polymer clay, which is due to the poor lighting, which maybe you can't see, but actually there is that figure onto the black color polymer clay. Now, using an Xacto knife, carefully cut out that picture from the clay. And yes, back to the doubts. So the normal baking temperature for scalpi is 275 Fahrenheit. So it will change based on the clay brands. I am using scalpi, so I normally bake at 275 Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then turned off the oven and let it cool completely before taking out the piece. So that's what I do normally. And the question that everyone asked was, is these mugs are dishwasher safe? No, these polymer clay decorated mugs are not dishwasher safe. You need to wash it with warm water and with a very soft sponge. So this actually, the polymer clay is plastic in nature. So when you do, a lot of scrubbing, it may scratch and it can break that design. And of course, these mugs are not microwave safe. So you can drink coffee in this mug, but do not reheat in a microwave. So now, carefully cut out that picture from your clay. And I got this silhouette couple picture. Now you can shape that with a toothpick or any shaping tools which you have. I'm just going to shape that with toothpick and with some tissue and everything. You need to smooth out the edges, shape out the tiny details. And before placing that decoration onto the mug, you need to clean your ceramic mug. I'm using that nail polish remover to carefully clean that ceramic mug and let it dry. After that, you just place that decoration, any decoration, onto that ceramic mug. Here I'm not using any liquid clay or any type of glue. Just place it onto the top of ceramic mug. But in the previous video that I have mentioned, which is the cupcake video, I have glued that decoration with liquid clay. That's why I didn't take out that design after baking. So basically, there are two ways to make polymer clay decoration on a ceramic mug. I have explained both of the ways. Either you can bake with the liquid polymer clay, or you can bake without using a clay, but after baking, take out the design and glue this back with the super glue or epoxy. And I personally recommend this method. That means you don't have to apply liquid clay. Just bake it and take out the design and glue it back with the epoxy or super glue, which can stay that decor longer. And here it is. Now we can add some beauty by making some small little hearts out of red color polymer clay, which is actually cherry red from Fimo, and just roll it into a very small thickness. And I have also printed out some small hearts, and I'm going to trace that out. And you need to cut it out using Xacto Knife. But if you have small heart cutters, of course you can use that. And here is one good tip, like if you don't have all these shape cutters, you don't need to worry, because you can simply draw that pattern or design onto a piece of paper and you can carefully cut it out like this. So that's how you don't have to buy all the shape cutters. After doing this, you need to attach these tiny hearts onto the ceramic mug using liquid polymer clay. I'm using this because you will know the difference between using liquid polymer clay and without using liquid clay. So I'm going to attach this with liquid clay and I will show you the difference after baking. Voila! Our polymer clay decoration is ready. Now it's the time to bake this decoration. So bake this according to the package instructions. And now you will see the silhouette is attached without using liquid clay. So you need to take this out using an Xacto knife, and you will get that very easily. And you need to fix this back with using an epoxy glue or super glue. But these hearts are pretty strong, so you don't need to take that out. And I hope you got that idea of baking decorations on ceramic mug. And if you want, you can sand it and buff it. I'm just going to sand that to remove any dust. Also wipe off any dust from your mug. And now you need to glue this design back using epoxy glue, but I don't have epoxy glue with me. I'm just gluing it back using a super glue. And yes, this beautiful romantic Valentine's Day decorated cup is ready. If you want, you can finish here, but I'm going to write love using glass outliner, but I'm very bad with my handwriting. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Pat Your Dreams. Keep supporting me, give me a thumbs up. If you have any doubts, write it down in your comment box. And love you all. And I have included some of my favorite pictures from my recent vacation to my hometown Kerala, which is in India. You can see the beauty of Kerala, the God's own country. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting me. Toodles!